Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create colorful crystallized background in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Draw a horizontal box shape. Fill color R102, G45, B145. Select shape and go to object menu and create graded mesh. Row 6, columns 6, appearance flat, highlight 100%, direct selection tool shortcut A, use direct selection tool to select anchor points. Give different colors to gradient mesh shape. Select graded mesh shape and go to effect menu and pixelate and crystallize. Cell size 41. Finally, your crystallized background design is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create crystallized effect background design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.